Enzymes are nature's catalysts implicated in many diseases. Current analytical and predictive technologies capture only static, averaged enzyme conformations, limited to the most obvious and dramatic structural rearrangements in proteins. But at the deepest level, quantum events drive subtle, critical rearrangements in the binding site. Kuano's quantum lens technology reaches this deepest quantum layer, beyond the reach of traditional pharma and biotech approaches, unveiling hidden transition states with unprecedented precision and speed. We unlock unparalleled vast chemical space and accelerate the selection of best-performing molecules. With Kuano's quantum lens technology, we can develop medicines that are more selective, increasing the drug development success rate and reducing side effects. Kuano's technology is already transforming drug discovery for a range of critical targets, from proteases to enzyme-coupled receptors, redefining drug discovery at the quantum level. Kuano. Drug design as nature sees it.